Hello everyone, I am Professor P.S. Gosavi from Department of Electrical Engineering. Today we talk about the introduction of automatic meter reading. This is the part of Unit 3, automatic meter reading. So today we have to talk about automatic meter reading. In this session we have to cover the topics. First is what's a AMR, how does the system works, its operating principle, host, central station hardware and software requirements, data constructor unit, multi-channel meter interface unit, single phase meter interface unit, MIU for water, gas and other meters, handheld programming unit, benefits of AMR to the utilized customers, AMR functions and features. First is introduction. The meaning of AMR, automatic meter reading, is the collection of at a remote central location data from a consumption meters located at a customer premises via telecommunication links. The meter could measure gas, water or electricity flow. This link could be telephonic lines, power lines, carrier communication, PLCC, radio frequency, CA, TV, etc. Next, introduction. Automatic meter reading is a telephone-based calling outbound system for a utility control and reliable low-cost meter reading. With the use of AMR, the need of person to visit the consumer sites and record the readings of the meters is eliminated. This also prevents human errors in recording the reading. Next is what's AMR. AMR brings significant benefits to the customer by providing increasing meter reading accuracy, fair estimated bills, rapid responses to read requests, automatic leak detection and billing options, and provides detailed usage information about individual sites, which allows the utility to offer variable rates and encourage price responsive behavior among customers. AMR improves operational management by providing just-in-time meter replacement, temper detection, remote access and automatic scheduling of meter reading. In the short, AMR will optimize the cost saving and maximize efficiency for aligned water while providing improved customer service. Next, how does the system works? The key to the system is a device called an ERT, encoder receiver transmitter. Okay. Next is this device is connected directly to a special electronic resistor on the water meter. Next, normally the ART does nothing, it sleeps waiting for the meter reading to approach. The meter truck mounted reading, the device sends out a continuous wake up signals. When an ERT receives the signals, it checks the reading on the meter resistor, encodes it into a digital signal and begins transmitting its identification numbers and the current readings. Next slide is how does the system works. After a few minutes, the ART stops transmitting and goes back to sleep, waiting for the next time meter reading. The trunk-mounted computer system matches the AIT identification number with the property and records the reading. At the end of the day, the meter reader uploads the information to our billing system. AMR also need meter interface units, means MIU. It responds to calls initiated through the software installed on a PC. A simple 3-wire hook up from the encoded register provides input from the meters to the MIU. Okay, next, operating principle of AMR. To operate the AMR power line modem, means PLM, is used which transmit and receive data over the power line. Next, the PLMS operates in a half duplex two-way time division multiplex communication mode. Next, both the MIU and the DCU contain the PLM device. The binary data stream is keyed onto a carrier signal by a means of the frequency shift keying techniques. The central frequency is shift plus 03 kilohertz to represent 1 or 0 of the binary data stream, as then coupled in onto the power line by the PLM. At the receiving end, an identical PLM will detect the signals and convert it back to a binary data stream, OD. Next is AMR system overview. The remote automatic meter reading system is a host-driven multi-level network system consisting of a host central stations, data concentrated units, and meter interfacing unit with built-in flexibility and expandability. Host central station hardware and software requirements. Next is a data concentrated unit, multi-channel meter interface unit, single phase meter interface unit, handle programming unit. In this use, implementation of proper AMR scheme. First is telephone lines, next power line carriers, radio frequencies, cable televisions, cables, Bluetooth, general packets read. Next, AMR functions and features, time of use and meter reading, self-diagnostic and status reporting, networking and system data communication and other functions, compatibility with water and gas metering system, use of Ethernet in this LAN, internet for a remote meter reading and data management. Next is conclusion. Since automatic meter reading is all about reading a utility meter without the requirement for visual inspection of the meter, it is indeed an easy and fail-safe method for a monitoring consumption details of a customer. Automatic meter reading can detect meter temporary and illegal drawing of power. AMR as a way of improving customer service while reducing the cost of reading meters. The automatic meter reading system enables us to save millions of dollars every year in a meter reading cost and also provide our customer with better information and water use, more accurate billings, and keep rates as a low as we can. So thank you.